Hi everybody, Patrick with Clean Can Now. Just wanted to drop you a quick video. We have a new feature on our website by popular request. You can now order gift cards. So we've got this button right here, or from the menu at the top. Just click the drop down list there, and one of the pages here on our website is the gift cards. So you can order this for yourself, or you can have it sent directly to somebody else. Right now we have the one-time cleaning for 2 cans for the regular price of $59.95. Stay tuned for any specials that may come up, but right now that's our regular price. So you just tap that, fill in the information, whether it's for you or yourself, how many you want, and if you send it by email, they'll get that right away, or you can print it to put it in a card for a birthday or a stocking stuffer or something like that. And if you want to print it out, it looks just like this with a barcode and a code that the recipient can use on our website to sign up for that free cleaning via your generosity. So thanks very much. Just wanted to show you that cool new feature. Bye-bye.